Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to add another Instagram account on 2022. So go for in this profile, you have to hold your profile and now you can see there is an option as add account. So I have only one account now. So you have to go for in this add account option. Now you can go for log into existing account or you can go for create new account. If you want to create a new account, then go for username from here and go for next. So if you want to go for your existing account, then go for from here. I have an existing account, so I'll go for this account and yeah. So this is how you can add another account on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.